So I'm about to start cooking this chicken tikka masala with cucumber salad. It's a real weekly classic, very, very fast to prepare, super delicious, and everyone in the family will enjoy it. I've got a couple of really good tips on how to make it absolutely bulletproof, and I'll leave those till the end, so stick around. But for now, let's start cooking. Slice the chicken breast into goujons. Finely peel and chop the brown onion. Then boil the measured water and dissolve the chicken stock cube and tomato paste in it. Heat a large non-stick pan over a medium-low heat with the ghee. Once hot, add the chopped onion with a pinch of salt, then fry for 7 to 8 minutes until softened. Once the onion is soft, add the chicken, ginger garlic paste, smoked paprika, curry powder, garam masala, and chipotle powder. Watch out, the chipotle is super spicy. Fry for 2 minutes. Add the stock and simmer for 10 minutes more. Meanwhile, add the basmati rice and water to a pan with a lid and bring to a boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low. Then cook with the lid on for 10 or 12 minutes until the water is absorbed. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat. Then keep covered until serving and fluff with a fork just before serving. Meanwhile, chop the cucumber into small chunks and then finely chop the coriander. Slice the lime into wedges. Mix the cucumber and coriander together in a bowl with a pinch of salt and add the squeeze of lemon juice. Once the chicken is cooked, add the measured cooking cream and honey to the pan. Simmer for a final 5 minutes. Serve the chicken curry over the basmati rice with the cucumber salad to the side. Serve any remaining lime wedges as a garnish. So just a couple of tips to make this an absolutely enjoyable experience for even the fussiest eaters. So number 1, for the cucumber salad, just omit the coriander and the lime juice. You could also peel the cucumber. It's very French, at least my children, they absolutely love peeled cucumbers. For the curry itself, just do not put the chipotle in because it has a lot of spice in it and might burn the palate of the fussiest eaters. But apart from that, enjoy. This is one of the fastest recipes here at Hello Chef. Within 20 minutes maximum, you have an amazingly decadent curry to eat for dinner. I can't wait to tuck in. If you like fast recipes like this, you'll find them here. But for now, bon appétit.